I love this crunchy, munchy Chana Dal Pakora with a cup of tea. This Chana Dal Pakora is simple to make and has a terrific taste. This is so simple and few ingredients which are easily available in your kitchen. And this pakora is perfect for Ramadan, which is approaching very soon. So hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story. This is Smita. So let's begin today a tasty and delicious munching Chana Dal Pakora to start a great Ramadan. And the ingredients are soak Chana Dal for 1 to 2 hours. After that, wash it and keep aside. Next, with that, chopped onion, green chili chopped, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, corn flour, and some fresh curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaf fresh, you can use the dried one too. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, take the chana dal. Over here, I am using 150 grams of chana dal. Soak for at least 2 hours. After that, wash the dal properly, drain the water, grind it in thick consistency with the help of a mixer grinder. Once you are done with that, then remove it and place the mixture into a mixing bowl. You can see from this video how I have done the paste. Next, once you have removed the paste, then into it add some basic masala. First, add salt as per your taste. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, though you can adjust according to your taste bud. Then add 2 to 3 green chili chopped and 1 medium-sized onion thinly chopped. Then add few fresh curry leaves. If you don't have fresh, you can use dry one, or place of that you can also use coriander leaf chop. Then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour so to get a nice crispy and crunchy taste. After combining everything, then incorporate all the mixture with your hands or spoon. Finally, when the mixing is done, it's time to give shape to your pakoras. You can give any shape of your choice. It can be flat or it can be a round like small balls. Next, take a karai, add oil and deep fry on a medium flame. When oil is hot enough, take a spoonful of the mixture and drop it into the hot oil. Though don't overcrowd the pan, fry them in batches. When they are cooked well and golden brown from both sides, then remove them and keep on a kitchen paper in a medium-high flame. Now, as the pakoras are getting ready to be crispy and crunchy, in the meantime, do comment in my comment section below what are your plans in this Ramadan. And if you want to save your time, you can store this mixture ahead in the refrigerator for 10 days. Now, finally, our crispy, crunchy, delicious pakora are ready. Serve them hot with mint chutney or any sauce of your choice. So what are you waiting for? After your evening prayer and sunset, break your fast with this cutie little Chana Dal Pakora. And if you think today's recipe is worth it and really you love it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story. And those who are new, please do hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy this special Ramadan. See you again with another interesting recipe like this. Till then, enjoy!